welcome back. Today I'm going to cook breakfast, and what I'm cooking today is a breakfast skillet. I'm just going to be a little bit more on the healthier side with lots of veggies. You can add meat if you like, or anything left over in the fridge that you feel will be filling to you in your skillet. It's all about preserving the veggies and food that you have in your fridge. So I feel like this is a really good look when you're trying to figure out what else can you eat. And I feel like a breakfast skillet is one of those alternatives. You can just throw everything in a skillet and just saute it and make it breakfast. So stay tuned.
I made me some tea. I put some emergency in it. That's why it look weird. But I've tried it before and it tastes good. And this is the tea that I'll be drinking. I've done research and I heard that these two are really good for your immune as well. And you can put honey in here, but I didn't put honey in here because it's already sweet because of the orange in this tea. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be drinking while I'm cooking. And these are the ingredients I'll be using. Yes, I do eat frozen veggies, potatoes, onions. I have some grape tomatoes, some more bella mushrooms, and some mini sweet pepper. Maybe I should have added some cognac to this tea. No, I'm trying to be good. Oh, my skin is looking kind of delightful. I cut up everything off camera. I'll be cutting the tomatoes and broccoli after I saute everything. So I just sauteed this a little bit. I like a little crisp on them, so that's the reason why I did that. And now I'm gonna put it in the oven. I'm sauteing the veggies. Now I'm about to add some broccoli. I'm just gonna saute this down and add my potatoes once this is more brown. So I just added the potatoes back to the mix. And right now I'm gonna add seasoning because it's almost done. Some black pepper. No peanut. And now I'm gonna add some garlic powder. I think it has parsley in it too, but that really don't matter. Garlic powder. And I'm gonna add a little bit of paprika. And now I'm gonna add some rosemary leaves. I bought these from the grocery store. They have them like dried leaves. So I'm gonna add all this together. I had added some tomatoes as well. It smells so good. This rosemary really bringing everything together. I'm loving how crispy everything is looking. It's going to be amazing. Got my eggs cooking. I'm going to do my eggs over medium. You can do it scrambled with cheese, or whatever way you like. But I like mine over medium or over easy. But I'm going to do over medium. Eggs over here cooking. And now, here's my veggies. All superb. Looking well. So now I'm about to plate everything and show you how good it's going to really look. So I added some pepper jack cheese. You can add cheese if you like. I put it in the oven to melt it down. I have me some fruit and some orange juice. And now I'm gonna add my eggs on top. And there you have it.